Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking cabbage and carrots on a frying pan. So this is going to be a shredded cabbage and carrots stir fry, so easy to make. We need half of small cabbage. I already washed it and removed the outer leaves before making the video, and just cut cabbage in half. If you want to make the whole cabbage, you can do it, but it just won't fit in the pan, so you need 2 pans or cook it in batches. And also we need either 2 large or 3 small carrots. We need oil for frying. I'll use olive oil. You can use any kind of vegetable oil. Also coconut oil or butter would work as well. Seasonings of your choice. I'm going to use salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. So now I'm going to shred carrots and cabbage using a food processor. So in my food processor, I have it fitted with a shredding disc. So now I'm going to use it to shred. So I'm just going to do carrots first. Now once I shredded the carrots, I'll do the cabbage. So I'm going to cut the core and throw it out. So we just need the leaves and not the core. So I'll just cut cabbage pieces away from the core. And this core I don't need. So let's now shred the cabbage. Now I'm all done shredding carrots and cabbage, so I will put them on a frying pan. So let's add oil to the pan. And add the carrots and cabbage. And I'm going to add the seasonings later because as the cabbage and carrots cooks, it shrinks. So I prefer to season at the end for that reason, so I know exactly how much seasonings to use. So now I'm going to go over to the stove and cook cabbage and carrots. So now I'm going to turn the heat on high and then wait till the pan heats up. So once it heats, you'll hear the oil and cabbage sizzling. And at that point, we're going to reduce the heat to medium-high. So now the pan is fully heated, so you can hear it. And let's mix it. It's already starting to brown on the bottom. now let's reduce the heat to medium-high and continue cooking, stirring every minute until it's tender enough to your liking. So now it's been cooking for 7 minutes and it's already done. I tried it, it's very tender and it's nicely browned. So I'm going to now season it and it will be ready. So just sprinkle the seasonings. I'm using salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And now mix it. And it's ready. Another great variation would be to use soy sauce instead of salt. It would be an Asian flavor stir fry, so it's totally up to you. There's many different seasonings you can use. And now it's ready. So I'm going to turn off the heat and take it off the frying pan. Perfect. So this is so easy to make, healthy and delicious. It makes a perfect low carb side dish. And if you add brown meat, you can make it into a main dish. So easy and so good. Now I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. Delicious. It's very tasty. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!